Sir, thank you, sir. Honorable Chairman, sir. Need to expedite the survey and construction of tunnel on the Kadapa Raichoti Highway, National Highway, road number 40, sir. I wish to bring to the attention of the government a matter of urgent public importance concerning the Kadapa Raichoti Highway in Andhra Pradesh. The existing guard section on this stretch is extremely long, accident prone, and poses serious risks to commuters, especially during night hours, and causing casualties in double-digit figures in yearly, sir. There has been a long pending demand from the public for construction of a tunnel to bypass this hazardous guard section. A tunnel would significantly reduce travel distance and time, improve road safety, and ensure smooth connectivity for thousands of daily commuters, including transport and emergency vehicles. I urge the Ministry of Roads, Transport and Highways to, through you, sir, take up the detailed survey for the proposed tunnel immediately and initiate the construction of work at the earliest, treating this as a priority public safety requirement. Sir, this intervention will greatly benefit the people of not only for the Kadapa and Raichoti, very much useful for connectivity for Rayalaseema region and surrounding border areas, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu as well, sir. Thank you, sir.